Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and dear eco-conscious friends. Today I am here to share with you 4 amazing eco-friendly products that will not make your life easier but also happier. So guys, first I want to talk about something that might surprise you. Aluminum foil, well, it's a common household item used for cooking and storing food. It may not be as harmful as we think. Did you know that when aluminum foil come into contact with the certain foods, especially acidic or spicy ones, it can leak into the food, and that mean we could be ingesting a small amount of aluminum without even realizing it. Studies have shown that high levels of aluminum in our body can potentially lead to health issues like brain disorder and bones disease and even respiratory problems. So it's important to be mindful of how we use aluminum foil in our daily lives. Instead of wrapping our food directly in aluminum foil, consider using parchment paper or glass containers for storage. This can help reduce the risk of aluminum leaching into our food. And additionally, try to avoid using aluminum foil when cooking at high temperature or when dealing with acidic food. Opt for safer alternatives like stainless steel or cast iron cookware. Overall, while aluminum foil may be convenient, it's important to be aware for this potential health risk. By making a small change in how we use and store our food, we can help protect ourselves and our loved one from unnecessary exposure to harmful substances. So next time you reach for the roll of aluminum foil, think twice and consider safer alternatives. Your health is worth it. So guys, I want to talk about making some simple swipe in your everyday life to help the environment. First up, let's ditch the aluminum foil and switch to paper foil. It's just as effective or wrapping up your leftover, and it's biogradable. So guys, next I want to talk about the non-stick and aluminum pan may not be best choice for our health. These pans can release harmful chemicals into our food, and when they are heated up, especially at high temperature, this can pose serious health risk over time. And that's why I recommended switching to stainless steel pans. Not only are they more durable and long lasting, but they are also a safer option for cooking. Stainless steel is a non-toxic material that won't leach harmful chemicals into your food, giving you peace of mind when prepare your meals. By making the switching to stainless steel pan, you can reduce your exposure to potential harmful sustainable and protect your health in the long run. So next time you are in the market for new cookware, consider in investing in stainless steel pan for a safer and healthier cooking experience. Remember, your health is worth it. Make it switch to stainless steel pan today and cook with confidence. So guys, next I want to talk about why plastic bottles are not good for health and why we should consider switching to glass bottle instead. First of, plastic bottle contains harmful chemical like BPA and phthalate, and which can leach into our drinks and potential disrupt our hormones, and this can lead to a whole host of health issues including reproductive problems and even cancer. And glass bottles on the other hand are a much safer alternative. They are non-toxic, non-reactive, and don't leach any hormone chemical into our beverage. And plus, glass is more environmentally friendly as it is 100% recyclable and can be reused multiple times without losing its quality. Not to mention, glass bottles are also better for the taste of our drinks, unlike plastic. Glass does not retain odors or flavors, so your water will always taste refreshed and clean. So next time you reach for a plastic bottle, think about making the switching glass instead. Your health and the environment will thank you. Remember, small changes like this can make a big impact in the long run. Let's prioritize your health and make the switch to glass bottle today. Paper bag, together we can make a positive impact on our health and environment. So let's say no to poly bag and yes to paper bag. It's a small change that can make a big difference. So guys, move on to next. I want to talk about the harmful effective of using poly bag of our health. Did you know the poly bag are made from plastic, which can leach hormones chemicals into our food and drinks? This can lead to serious health issues over time, but don't worry, there are a simple solution: switching or to paper bags. Paper bags are much safer and eco-friendly options for packaging our foods. They are biodegradable and recyclable and pose no threat to our health like poly bag do. By making the switching to paper bags, we can reduce our exposure to harmful chemical and help protect the environment and the same time. So next time you are at the store, opt for a paper bag instead of a poly bag. Your health and the planet will thank you for it. Let's make a conscious efforts to prioritize your health and well-being by changing and choosing safer alternates like. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discover my channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for a way to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them again and coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my